अंकल एक बढ़िया सा आमंड ऑयल दे दो।
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है।
अंकल आपको गाना सुनाई दे रहा है?
नहीं भैया, मुझे कोई गाना नहीं सुनाई दे रहा।
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है।
अंकल आपको गाना सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, मेरे को साफ सुनाई दे रहा है।
भैया पैसे दो और जाओ।
ये गुरु घंटाल आदमी है, साइन नहीं करने वाला। मैं कहता हूँ इसका बोरिया पिस्तौल उठाओ और बाहर फेंक दो इसको।
No matter what your hair type is, a hair oil is an important part of any hair care routine. However, it is even more important to choose a hair oil which is free from artificial chemicals, suits your hair type, and is also budget friendly. And if you thought that toxin-free products are always costly, then let us break the myth, as in this video I am going to share with you 5 hair oils which are 100% safe and are also under Rs 249. Number 2 will surprise you as it is under Rs 99. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Which hair oil do you use? Have you ever gone through its ingredient list? You will be shocked to know that 9 out of 10 brands in India are simply trying to capitalize on the age-old herbs without actually providing what they claim. These hair oils have petroleum-derived substances, hair-damaging and even hair fall promoting chemicals. Using such cheap hair oils may provide an oily texture in the short term but weaken the hair in the long run. Then there are brands that are selling you toxins in the name of Ayurveda and herbal. Some hide their oil base. For this video, I have rejected many such brands. So to resolve this issue, I have researched and found 5 genuine hair oils which are not only 100% natural but are also quite budget friendly. Starting with number 5 on the list is T&W's Onion Hair Oil. Onion oils are the new rage, and why not? Onion has sulfur in it that helps build collagen which promotes hair growth. However, beware, as most commercial brands just market their hair oil in the name of onion without actually providing the real thing. For example, this Imami's Kesh King Ayurvedic Onion Oil has artificial colors, artificial fragrance and harsh preservatives. We need to understand that oils being non-reactive can easily be kept for a fairly long period of time without any preservatives. Such chemicals won't help you get the benefit of 21 herbs that it proudly mentions. Even promising looking Earthia's onion and ginger hair oil priced at Rs 365 is artificially fragranced. The story is same for newish red onion hair oil. That is where T&W's onion hair oil stands apart. Prepared with a blend of 16 different oils along with extracts of onion and aloe vera, it is free from all toxic stuff. It comes with a comb applicator as well and is suitable for all hair types. 100 ml of it will cost you Rs 249. There are some other genuine options available as well. For example, Seer Secrets Restorative Scalp Oil and Luxura Sciences Organic Onion Oil. It's onion hair oil like these that can actually curb your hair issues. Try them out. Next on the list is Baidyanath's Mahabhringraj oil. Mahabhringraj oil is among the top Ayurvedic oils to stop hair fall, dandruff, split ends and the related problems of hair. It's a medicated classical formulation for all hair types prepared using 15 invaluable herbs like Bhringraj, red sandalwood, Nag Kesar and Anant Mool in a base of sesame oil. Taken from Ayurved's Sar Sangraha, it has this amazing property to restore the hydrolipidic film of the scalp skin that improve hair thickness and smoothness. Bhringraj is its hero ingredient, and why not? It's a miracle herb for hair so effective that most brands today market their best hair oils in its name. But as they say, what's there in a name? For instance, this Khadi Naturals Bhringraj hair oil looks promising, but the reality shows up on your face when you find that its very first ingredient is mineral oil, a potent cancer-causing petroleum byproduct. Similarly, the popular Biotech's Bio Bhringraj that claims to have 100% botanical extracts mentions only 12% ingredients on the pack. God knows what are its other 88% ingredients. Ray Naturals Advanced Bhringraj Onion Oil has unwanted fillers. It's products like these that take undue advantage of people's good intentions. Never fall for such marketing strategies. And some brands like RVAP even temper with the classical formulation by adding synthetic colors to it so that it looks green. That's where Baidyanath's Mahabhringraj oil is outstanding. For 250 rupees, you will get 200 ml of it. There are some other brands as well that genuinely make the same formulation. I have linked them in the description box. Indulekha's Bhringa oil, even though expensive, is a toxin-free Bhringraj based hair oil. However, Indulekha's Bhringa shampoo not only hides its shampoo base but also uses harmful preservatives. Likewise, Sri Sri Tattwa's Bhringa Malkadi hair oil is another Bhringraj based good option at just ₹100. However, their Brahmi Bhringraj Tel is artificially fragranced. So it's always smart to check a product individually rather than blindly following a brand. Number 3 on the list is Nature's Absolutes Amla Hair Oil. But why Nature's Absolutes? Why not Nihar Naturals Amla Hair Oil, which is dirt cheap and readily available offline? Well, the answer lies in the question itself. Yes, it's dirt cheap. The ingredients speak for themselves. 64% of it is mineral oil. 35% of it has vegetable oils, one among which is amla oil. What are the other vegetable oils? We have no clue. The rest 1% has almond oil along with artificial fragrance, harmful preservatives like TBHQ and synthetic colors. Amla hair oil with the goodness of almonds is a joke that nobody is laughing at. And why blame only Nihar Naturals? This narrative is true for most other commercial amla hair oils. All they do is hire a popular face, and about the rest they are least bothered. It's sad that these have become the most popular hair oils among Indians. Even Khadi Naturals Amla hair oil does not clearly mention the base in which all these precious herbs were cooked. On the other hand, Nature's Absolutes has kept it sweet and simple. With amla boiled in a base of cold pressed sesame oil without any crap, it is the real amla oil. 220 ml of it will cost you ₹221. So the next time when looking for an amla oil, don't look who is selling it but rather what they are selling. Coming to the number 2 on the list. Well, hair oils under $249 is great, but what about an option under ₹99? Patanjali's Divya Kesh Tel is one such option which is not only pocket friendly but can also be easily bought offline. Prepared with a concoction of over 17 herbs like Bhringraj, Brahmi, Amla, Ratan Jot, Nagar Motha, Jatamansi in a base of sesame oil, it is worth every penny spent. The careful blend of hair-friendly herbs will help you get relief from most hair problems. However, this doesn't mean that all Patanjali hair oils are alike. In fact, most of them aren't worth your precious hair. Take Patanjali Kesh Kanti for instance. No doubt it has many Ayurvedic herbs, but the artificial fragrance and BHT added has made it rather harmful. Similarly, Patanjali's almond oil, Tejas oil, Amla oil and Sheetal oil either do not clearly mention the base oil or they come with added artificial fragrance and colors. Don't waste your money on them. Instead, pick Divya Kesh Tel. Truly Ayurvedic at a price of just ₹85 for 100 ml. Patanjali's Divya Pharmacy has done a great job with this one. Do give it a try. Now, before I reveal my top pick, here are a few honorable mentions. One can never go wrong with pure cold pressed oils if used as per one's hair type and the environmental conditions. For example, coconut oil is best for humid and hot conditions. Almond oil is ideal for dandruff prone hair. Mustard oil is best suited to dry and rough hair and in cold weather. Castor oil is recommended for faster hair growth. I have linked all these basic cold pressed oils in the description box. Finally, number 1 on the list is Kerala Ayurved's Neeli Bhrigadi hair oil. Another classical formulation which might not have picked the trend yet, but its miraculous benefits are well elaborated in the Ayurvedic scriptures. With the goodness of indigo, Bhringraj, Indian gooseberry, licorice in a base of cow's milk and coconut oil, this hair oil particularly addresses the imbalanced Pitta dosha, the root cause of most hair problems. Traditionally used to encourage healthy hair and better sleep, it cools the head and calms the mind, making it an excellent choice for massaging the scalp. Compare it with Navratna's oil, which might give an instant cooling sensation, but the synthetic red and green color over a period of time are likely to weaken the hair. Even other so-called Ayurvedic hair oils like Emami Kesh King oil are no different. On the other hand, Neeli Bhrigadi oil is considered a medicine for premature graying hair. It's not like Bajaj's Zero Grey hair oil, which shamelessly has added 72% mineral oil along with artificial fragrance and cosmetic colors. Forget reversing grey hair, using it regularly, chances are that there isn't any hair left. Neeli Bhrigadi hair oil on the flip side doesn't boast much but has a lot to deliver. Even price wise, it's way cheaper. Neeli Bhringadi oil by Nagarjuna, made with sesame oil as a base, is equally good. So kick the gimmicks out and choose the original. So these were the 5 hair oils which I feel you should definitely try. I feel proud to mention that all these 5 hair oils are made in India. I also want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. None of the featured brands have paid me. I have linked all these 5 hair oils in the description box. You can buy them as per your budget. Whenever you are out to buy a hair oil, check the label, and if you find any of these as its ingredients, skip it. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then please do give it a thumbs up. Talking more about hair oils, check out Sessa's onion hair oil, which is another genuine option available in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will find that it is a blend of variety of cold pressed oils along with hair friendly herbs like bhringraj, onion, brahmi and curry leaves. It has no mineral oil, no artificial fragrance, no synthetic colors, no unwanted chemicals or preservatives. Suitable for all hair types, this particular oil by Sessa will definitely help boost hair growth and repair hair damage. A unisex hair oil, it comes with a comb applicator for easy application. To buy Sessa's onion hair oil with bhringraj, click on the link down in the description box. 200 ml of it is priced at Rs 395, and with a special coupon code you will get 20% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.